Hello guys, so today I will be unboxing my new iPhone which arrived yesterday. I unboxed it only now because I was busy reviewing for my final exam for next Monday. So it was bought online by my dad last December 8th and it arrived the 10th of December. It took 2 days to arrive, which is really very fast. So now I will finally see it. Here it is. I'm struggling to open up. There's an earphone. I thought there wasn't, but there is. So it's nice. Now we will open it. So I bought a green one.
Wow.
It looks like the color, it's more like apple green, so I like it very much. Here you can see the SIM card remover, the Apple sticker, etc. And here we have the USB-C to lightning cable. Here it is. It is very beautiful. Well, here is the case. As you can see, it's not the right one, so we will order another one and I'll unbox it when it arrives. So today we are now December the 12th. As you can see, now I have the right one, the right case. It's written iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro. It took 1 day to arrive, which is really a very fast service, and it is Amazon. So you can see I have 4%. I did not charge my phone since yesterday, because my mom always tell me that when your phone is brand new, you need to wait until it is 0% before charging it, so that the battery health will be better. Now let's see how does the case fit with my phone. Actually, the case is really nice. It is really secured. I mean, the way it is made, it is really good. And you can see at the back there is a kickstand. I will put a picture below to show you how does it work. And here now I will unbox the tempered glass that I will put on my phone for its protection and safety. So let's see. So here there are 3 tempered glass with 2 wipes for each, and there is also dust absorber. And here we have the instructions how to put the tempered glass. Actually, I know how to put it, but I will read it so I will be 100% sure. So first, what I will do is use the wipes. I will clean my screen first before putting the tempered glass. So after using the wet wipes, let's now use the dry wipe to dry it. Now that it's done, we are ready to put the tempered glass. So let's remove the plastic protector of the tempered glass, and I will gently put it on my phone. Let's see. Here it is now. I perfectly put it. You see? Now that it's done, I will arrange the other tempered glass wipes and dust absorber. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.